Hello guys. Hello guys. I'm Sasikumar and sorry. Hello guys. I'm Sasikumar and this is day 45 of improving my communication skills. And today we are not going to follow our traditional way that we are doing every day. Today we are going to practice some topics, GD topics. Wait a second. Just okay. In which we are going to discuss about sustainable construction practice. This is first day to doing this like things, such like things. So today, what we can do? Mm, wait a second. Hmm, it's okay, fine. Okay, so our topic is sustainable construction practice, in which we are going to discuss some uh, important points like energy efficiency, low carbon emission, and low carbon materials, so that we can do. Uh, so, okay, let's start. Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic that directly shape the future of our profession: sustainable construction practice. Just okay. Uh, right now, I'm seeing the chat GPT direct so that I can clearly speak. From next day, I will definitely practice. Just okay. Sorry for that. Okay. Hello, everyone. Today, we are discussing a topic that directly shapes the future of our profession: sustainable construction practice. As we are civil engineer, construction contribute nearly 37% of global Okay. Construction contribute nearly 37% of global CO2 emission, and much of that comes from material like cement and steel. As civil engineer, it's our responsibility to rethink how we build, not just for strength and safety, but also for sustainability. Two things that I remember. Construction contribute nearly 30%. Constructions contribute Construction contributes nearly 37% of global CO2 emission. Okay, cool. Construction contributes nearly 37% of global CO2 emission, and much of that comes from materials like cement and steel. As civil engineer, it's our responsibility to rethink how we build, not just for strength and safety, but also for sustainability. Two words that I miss. Two words. Sustainable constructions means reducing environmental impact across a project's entire life cycle, from material sourcing and design to constructs. From material sourcing and design to constructions, operation and demolition. It's about using less energy, fewer resources, and a smarter design while maintaining performance. Sustainable construction means reducing environmental impacts across a project's entire life cycle, from material sourcing and design to construction, operation and demolition. 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 Okay. It's about using less energy, fewer resources, and a smarter design while maintaining performance. For example, using low carbon cement. For example, we can use low carbon cement or fly ash or slag based concrete can cut emission by up to 40%. Prefabrications and modular construction reduce waste and speed up project timelines. Mass timber structure, like those using cross-laminated timber, store carbon instead of releasing it. What we can do? We can use low carbon cement, LC3, or fly ash or slag based concrete can cut emission up to 40%. Prefabrications and modular construction reduce waste and speed up project timelines. Mass timber structure. Mass timber structures, like those using cross-laminated timber, store carbon instead of releasing it. In India, the adoption of IGBC and green building norms and projects like Noida International Airport using LC3 so that sustainability is no longer a concept, it's becoming a construction standard. The key challenge now is awareness, training and policy support. Because while sustainable method may seem costlier upfront, life cycle analysis, they save some energy, so they save both energy and money in the long term. So sustainable construction isn't just an environmental choice; it's a smart engineering choice that ensure our infrastructure is durable, economical, and future ready. Okay, again we are going to uh, hi everyone, today we are going to discuss directly shape the future of our profession. Oh, sorry. Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the topic that directly shapes the future of our profession sustainable construction practice. Constructions contribute nearly 37% of global CO2 emissions, and much of that comes from materials like cement and steel. As civil engineers, it's our responsibility to rethink how we build, not just strength and safety, but also for sustainability. Sustainable construction means reducing environmental impact across a project's entire life cycles, from material sourcing to design to construction. From material sourcing and design to construction. Construction. Sustainable construction means reducing environmental impact across a project's entire life cycle, from material sourcing and design to construction, operation and demolition. It's about using less energy, fewer resources, and a smarter design while maintaining performance. For example, using low carbon cement or fly ash and slag based concrete can cut emission up to 40%. Prefabrication and modular construction reduce waste and speed up the project timelines. Mass timber structure, like those using cross-laminated timber, store carbon instead of releasing it. In India, the adoption of IGBC and green building norms and project like Noida International Airport using LC3 so that sustainability is no longer a concept. It's a becoming a construction standard. It's becoming a construction standard. The key challenge now is awareness, training, and policy support. Because while sustainable method may seem costlier upfront, life cycle analysis so they save both money and energy in the long run. So sustainable construction isn't just an environmental choice; it's a smart engineering choice that ensure our infrastructure is durable, economical, and the future ready.
फैमिली बात करता है ससी
Yes, bro.
यस ब्रो
बोलो.
इतना पर्दा काय लगा दिया है ओ माय गॉड तुम्हारा लाइव में
हाँ
आ गया
हाँ. Hi guys, meet to my friend सुजीत.
लेकिन इसमें देख कितना लोग रहा है
एक एक मतलब दो लोग, एक और कोई.
ओ मतलब एक
एक
कौन कौन
एक हमको क्या पता.
एक कोई देख रहा है एक तुम अपना ही
हाँ
फोन से देख
मतलब
रहा है
वो चेक करने के लिए चल रहे हैं.
ओ चेक करने के लिए देख रहा है डेडिकेशन अदो
वो कर रहे थे जीडी
क्या
का
कर रहा
practice।
था?
इस टॉपिक पे सस्टेनेबल कंस्ट्रक्शन प्रैक्टिस पे थोड़ा
प्रैक्टिस
रिसर्च
कर
कर
रहा है।
हाँ।
वो सही है। वो मेरा पेमेंट हुआ करवा देता ना।
नहीं हुआ है क्या?
हैं?
नहीं हुआ कि
अरे मराठी ही कर लेते हैं सबसे पहले।
आया कि नहीं मेल?
मेल आ गया है।
तो करो, कर
अरे
दे।
करो तो स्कैन करके तुमको बोले ना, करो तुम पेमेंट।
वहां से तो आ जाता है। कर,
तुम बोला क्या, तो क्या बात हुआ था हम लोग के बीच में?
क्या बात, कर देते हैं, क्या दिक्कत?
हाँ तो करो।
Sustainable construction reduce a project life cycle environment impact by combining low carbon materials, efficient design, circular practice, and a smart construction management,
कम्युनिकेशन
which
स्किल बिल्ड कर रहा
together
हूँ।
cut emission, waste, and long-term cost. Why it matters? The building plus construction sector is
देख रहा है।
responsible for a large share of global energy-related
अभी
emission.
ज्यादा डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे
A
भाई।
major reason, कोई दिक्कत नहीं यार, decarbonation लिखते जाते यार कुछ कुछ पूरा।
बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है यहाँ पर, बहुत यार।
Decarbonation. Must include construction. Cement and concrete productions are among the highest emitting industrial process. अच्छा से नहीं यार। Okay. We can reduce embodied carbon through innovation like
हाँ, सुबह
geopolymer
फिर
concrete,
जाएंगे।
recycled aggregates, and LLC3 cement. Optimizing a structural design also minimize material use without compromising safety. Compromising safety.
ये तो बहुत खराब।
Safety. We can reduce embodied carbon through innovation like geopolymers concrete, recycled aggregate, and LC3 cement. Optimizing a structural design also minimize material use without compromising safety. Passive design, energy efficient building. Passive design, proper orientation, ventilation, insulations, and daylight use can reduce operational energy by up to 30 to 40%. Adding solar panels and rainwater harvesting
क्यूआर आ गया।
systems. मराठी हाँ?
हाँ मराठी। ठीक है, सुन तो आप क्या करें, हम भी जा रहे हैं कुछ सूतेंगे। चुटका धराने से बैक हो जाता है।
इन सब अरे श्रीराम ले लिया 500 रुपए।
ओ सीढ़ी के तो पहले बोलना चाहिए।
अरे हमको अभी याद है, हम अभी जस्ट श्रीराम को दिए 5 मिनट पे। तो देखना तुम्हारे पास है।
Are you live, Sashi?
हाँ।
Where? Am
Hi,
I?
guys.
Hi
ठीक है,
guys.
आदित्य रख रहे हैं ना।
Meet to my friend, teacher.
No, not
Mentor.
teacher. We are
Mentor.
just learning together.
Mentor.
No, we are just learning
श्रीराम
together.
कौशल पास होगा। अरे अभी हम श्रीराम को दिए जस्ट।
अबे तो फिर
हमको दिमाग से
दे दिया।
क्या तो क्या 4 मिनट है? कौशल को बोलो
क्यूआर कहाँ चल गया?
क्यूआर होगा। तुझा पेमेंट फेल हो गया? नहीं अरे बैक करो ना, मिल जाएगा फिर से। वो बहुत बड़ा इशू नहीं। रुको हम देखते हो कितना बाकी हम भेज। अरे यार हम याद नहीं था।
कैंसिल कर दिए, ठीक है।
फिर से करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। तुम उस समय बोला, उसके बाद तुम नहीं आए तो श्रीराम। रुको हम बताते कितना मेरे पास। ज्यादा नहीं है, 269 रुपया। ओके okay, it's good. I come back. That's the technical issue. That's why I there. Let's continue again. What's the point we can what's the point that we can what's the point that we can aid during our GD session? Materials and design innovation. We can reduce embodied carbon through innovation like geopolymer concrete, recycled aggregate, and LC3 cement. Optimizing a structural design also minimize materials used without compromising safety. passive design. Means if we talk about energy efficient building, we think about passive design like proper orientation, ventilation, insulations, and daylight use can reduce operational energy by up to 30 to 40%. Adding solar panel and rainwater harvesting make buildings safe, self-sustaining, sustaining, self-sustaining. Follow-up and modular and digital constructions. We can, as the world is evolving and technology is coming in the field, so we can add some technical things like offset prefabrication, improve precision, quality, and safety while cutting constructions waste. Digital tools like BIM and digital twins help you visualize material flow and minimize errors before site work begin. Means we can we can make the whole project just before the starting the project. We can through that we can analyze all the things uh, how much materials we are going to use, how much materials is needed, which type of material we should use, where we have to place the things so that the use wastage of material will be reduced. So digital tools like BIM and digital twins help you visualize material flow and minimize errors before a site work begins. Policy and industry adoption. The government can promote procurements, and engineers can follow a standard like LEED, GRI, and IGBC. Once sustainability becomes part of tendering and approval process, it's naturally become the industry norm. Sustainable construction is not a luxury, it's a necessity. The structure we design today will stand for the next 50 and 100 years. Let's make sure they stand responsibility for the planet, the people, and the profession. This is all about today GD session. Uh, Give me okay. What thing? Okay, let's review some research paper like first first paper about why it matters. Uh, mm, Again, network issue. Okay, let's check other science direct. Huh. Properties compatibility. Properties compatibility. Compatibility. Environmental benefits and future directions of limestones, calcined clay cement. Calcined uh, limestone, calcined clay cement, concrete LC3 review. LC3 has the potential to replace up to 50% of the cement content in concrete. The implications of LC3 on the construction industry are immense. LC3 produce can also provide a solution to the problem of industrial waste. Scaling up LC3 productions and applications. Okay, first I have to know what is LC3. LC3 is limestone calcination clay cement that can reduce 50% of cement content in concrete. The, impli- the implication, the implication, the implications of LC3 on the construction industry are immense. LC3 productions can also provide a solution to the problem of industrial waste. Scaling up LC3 productions and application poses several challenges. Abstract introductions into the whole. Let's get a summary of this paper. Okay. We are going to deep dive on the LC3. That's the limestone calcined clay cement that's used in the construction parts. So just take a review. Okay. Today we are going to end up here. Just because I'm not little bit tired. Okay. Okay, let's just start. What is LC3? In which overview analysis. The paper provides a thorough and structured review of LC3, its production, properties, applications, and potentials as a sustainable construction material. It successfully highlights the environmental urgency in the cement sector when carbon emissions contribute significantly to global warming and positions LC3 as a practical, scalable, scalable, yeah, and low carbon alternative. The paper's structure, from materials and properties to real world applications and future directions, make it both comprehensive and coherent. The strengths of the paper: comprehensive scope. The paper covers all critical aspects: productions, hydration and mechanicals and durability properties, environmental benefits, economical feasibility, and social acceptance, offering a 360-degree view of LC3 technology. Scientific detailing. The use of XRD and DG analysis to explain LC3's hydration process provides scientific depth. It's shown that the author understands the material behavior at both micro and macro levels. Okay, it's going over to me. From next day, I will definitely do good research on that. Today, I get some okay somewhere global status report of for building and construction. Just leave it to Paris. Okay, it's time for today. I don't know who is there. Just thanks to being here. Okay, guys, as I have wasted my time and just other tasks. Yes, but I have also covered two lecture of geotechs, and that's it, and nothing else. So from next day we will practice more, and we will try to uh, we will from next day we will try to make the whole day productive so that we can achieve our success goal earlier. Thank you guys. See you next day.